Hello, Radio Unit 1, Jamaica, Soldier Boy, good morning.
One more time, trying to check my audio out to see what this sound like. Good morning, the man with the nicotine finger, your number one station in the world.
Okay, Unit 1, I tell you what, the meter cannot lie, man. You're rocking, you're talking, you're swinging. You have everything listening to you this morning around Houston, come on.
You know what, I almost take down my antenna this morning, man. Soldier boy, I almost take down my antenna, but I was saying to myself, the way you make me believe my station talking, I don't think I need to mess with this antenna for a while to break.
Yeah, QSL, I have you really nice in my radio, clean and clear. You said you were just switching microphone, come on?
No, for the last 2 weeks, I think it's about 2 weeks now, I'm using a different mic, but I haven't get to listen to it sounding. I'm running a different mic. I bought this mic about 2 weeks ago. It's just a regular power microphone, but I haven't heard the way it sounded, right?
QSL, it's sounding real nice, man. So what you want to do? You want to go and switch to another one? You just leave in that one, come on.
Yeah, I'm not gonna switch. I'm just gonna use this one because I got the MC80, but when I put it in line, it tends to I don't know, kind of pick up. Well, I could try it too. I could try the MC80 just to when I'm listening to the gates, I could tell the difference between the two microphones. What do you think, the break?
Okay, well, I'm gonna stand by, so go and switch it fast.
Boy, this is the MC80, man. I hope it's okay too, but that Soldier Boy Unit 1, so let me hear you, the bigger.
Hey, Unit 1, I tell you what, man. I don't know if I got wax in my ears, but it's very hard to distinguish both of them. They come on.
Well, that is good, man. That is good news because when you got two microphones, you don't want one to be good and the other to be bad.
Yeah, you know what? I think you dropped down a few dBs, so it seems as though the other one giving you a bigger punch. Come on.
You know, Mother Nature too. Let me use the other one. This one has a little bit. Those do feedback a little bit, so I'll use the other one for now. But at least you see once the audio coming through, they're both sounding good, right?
Yeah, QSL, I have a little feedback from this one. So go back to the original. Go back to the original. Come on.
Yeah, man, I'm back to the original. The other one that just changed was the MC8. It's a good mic, but I don't know what, man. For some reason, it do a little bit of feedback. So that's why I decided to get a different mic. So I just talk without no feeding back the break.
QSL, it's amazing how you switch that microphone so fast, man. It seems as though you don't screw on, you just plug on, come on.
Yeah, just plug, I just push it. I just play my mic out, push in another mic. I'm good to go there.
Yeah, Roger D. But Unit 1, we see fair exchange make no robbery. You know, I would also like to see what I'm doing and how I'm singing around the neck of your wood, so you must give me a gate also, come on.
Original phone messed up anyway. I don't know. I got a different phone. I'll have to check the video system on it and then I'll probably check and see if I can make a video. And then I'll just send it directly to your WhatsApp once I'm able to do that, right?
Yeah, QSL. Well, that gate, I'm going to put it up on YouTube, so that will just be for testing purposes. Come on.
Yeah, that's what it is, man. That's just for me to hear the station and hear the audio coming off this microphone and, you know, I do a little bit of analyzing because I listen to other guys. I listen to the guys, man, get, so I know what they got in audio, so I just want to hear this one in the radio.
Yeah, QSL, yeah. At first, the condition still, right there. But I tell you what, man, I really love how you sung then back here. Come on.
Well, it's all good, man. I ain't got much difference. The radio is the same, 10 with 140, antenna is the same. The only thing is the microphone. And they said this microphone is good, so it's all good for me, right?
Yeah, Roger. Well, anyway, Unit 1, I tell you what, man, while the condition is rolling, let's go back to 515 and see what is taking place, because I know the pastor would be like, I just give them an excuse to go and search and get the scripture, but it seems as though they go with the communion plate, they go ahead.
You're right about that, man. There's a guy on 51, he tried to mess up the whole band. So only a guy like you can come through and just come through what the mess he's making, if you understand me the way.
Okay, where he broadcasting from? Come on.
He's in the States, man. I'm not even sure where he came from or the States, but one of the guys talking down here, he comes in sometime and I don't understand what he plays, but he just do something and if you're not strong enough, you're not there, so
QSL, well, I tell you what, man, you in the radio business too long to allow guys like that to get to you, man. You got to be professional and, be the best you can. And let bygones be bygones, especially if you know a man is of no good. Come on.
Yeah, right. Well, I ignore him, man. I don't say anything. I just say, once guys like you are here, I just talk. I don't even bother worry about him, rather.
Yeah, QSL, man. I experienced that too long for that, but I got two fundamental reasons on the radio. It's just to have fun and learn about communication, make new friends, and keep the old. Go ahead.
That's exactly what it is, man. Just to having fun, talk to your friends, and find out what is going on. All right, so you know what? I got some stuff to do, and maybe I'll be going back to 51. I don't sure if I'm gonna stick there for much longer, but I'm gonna go back there. And if not, I'll call you back in a while, rather.
QSL, as we done here, do I ever ask you your government name? Come on.
If you ever ask for my government name,
yeah, QSL, your personnel?
My personal name is Shelan, man. Shelan. You hear that Shelan, rather?
Like Syria, Hotel, Echo, Romeo, India Alpha?
Well, let me spell it. Sarah, Hotel, Echo, Lima, Oscar, November, SHELON, Shelan, rather?
Oh, man, that's a very unique name, like Hakon. Very unique. Okay, Shilon, I tell you what, it's always important to know someone's name, especially when you're getting to know them. But I can tell you that, man, straight. Whenever you kid on, there is no disturbance between you, I, and only Mother Nature. Only Mother Nature will have to stop you, Unit 1.
Talking to my friend 1963 last night. We was on the phone and he was telling me that even when he's on the big box pump up, he don't want to mess with me coming down there. And I said, I know, man. I know that. A lot of guys don't want to mess with me talking down there, they break.
Yeah, QSL. And he correct, man, because that video I did with him there, I tell you, man, anytime I listen to that, I always smile. He said, Soldier Boy, the only man who could come and stop me right now is Unit 1. They go ahead.
Yeah, that's one thing, man. He keep it real. We're good friends anyway, so, we don't have any animosity with our station. So he will tell me and I will tell him the truth, right?
Yeah, man, and QSL, man, that's the way it got to be. Reality. No two ways about it. Yeah, the voice of Jamaica, as I said, man, it's always a pleasure. And I said, this one is for testing purposes. Once again, for those on the frequency who listening, this is Soldier Boy, the big boy around Houston, the man with the nicotine stained fingers. I am just doing a testing with, I'm not an audio engineer this morning, but my friend Unit 1, the voice of Jamaica, the big boy, he just doing some audio clarity, and that's what we are doing. Hey, Unit 1, the finals with Dion.
Yeah, I just I'm using a different phone. Usually once I go on my YouTube, I'll either find Soldier Boy. What's the number again? Soldier Boy, what's the number you have on the YouTube direct?
Soldier Boy 101. Soldier Boy 101. And once you subscribe, if I put up a gate, you will just be notified they come on.
No problem, no problem. Don't take too long to put it up because I've been listening out there, rather.
Okay, I tell you what. Man, you're like my brothers, man. I'm going to go and do it right now. Right now, I'm going to go put it up. QSL?
All right, my brother. Peace, Soldier Boy, your friend to the end on the west side of the island. So click, rather.
Roger, Roger.